Okay. Alright, putting it on. Then we're going to come over here. Okay. Is it homing out?
Magazines.
Okay, the magazine was homing out.
Table.
Just homed out. What's it doing now?
The magazine.
Okay, okay. Magazine's home. Magazine's homing out.
It's home now.
Okay, now it's all home.
All right.
Okay, and then
Right
power on, boot up.
Right here. Memory. Program. Select start.
Okay, memory.
Start at 1,000. That's 1,000.
Okay, that's 1,000.
3,000. 5,000. 7,000. 9,000. 11,000. 13,000. 15,000. Now tool change. Tool 10. Go to tool 20. Magazine front page. Back to tool 1. Going home. In position 5 axis. We're all over.
Okay.
Head's going down, flies coming out, text is moving. Fourth and fifth is moving.
Okay. That's it. Thing, go back on. Hopefully you can see that. There's a serial plate. Back of the control. Here, it's kind of tight back here, but here's the side of the machine. Control. Okay. Got this pretty good. Okay. Okay. Keeping the door open. The chip conveyor. These are the covers for the back. Back of the machine. There's the hours. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. There's the hours. Okay. No active alarms. There's the alarm history.
Huh?
There you go. Alarm history.
John, whatever you're done, just let me know, so I'm gonna jump on truck with you know. Okay. I'm just gonna be working over on that.
Okay. He's hitting all those buttons. All the buttons are functional. Okay, here's the hand jog operation. Okay, this is all from the hand. He's doing that. This is door interlock, and we have it overridden so we could show you the video of everything, but it is fully functional. Zero return Z-axis. X single, home and out.
Y single.
Y.
C single. B single.
Alright, here we're jogging to the complete length. Y. Z. You want to move B and C around a little bit, like hand wheel it a little, like as I. Okay.
Pretty good wind in there now, ain't it?
And this is changing tools.
Magazine.
The magazine rotating. Magazine's rotating again. Magazine's rotating. Magazine's rotating.
It's 3 different tools, 1, 10, and 20.
1, 10, and 20, 3 different tools.